Welcome and let's talk about Tectonic token burning. Yes, the community are actually pushing for Tectonic to burn 250 trillion coins within 12 months. Is that going to be possible? I don't really think this is going to be possible in 12 months, but it's possible. But I think that can be achieved within 2 or 3 years. Yes, Tectonic have about 500 trillion coins in circulation, and then this is what is holding this coin from gaining more people, because people don't really have interest in coins that have a lot of coins in circulation. But Tectonic have about 500 trillion coins, and that is what so many people are scared of. Well, Tectonic developers are also working on burning of Tectonic, but right now the community believe that yes, the developers can really come up with something, with a unique idea that will get Tectonic burning to massively increase in price. And they said they will want to see Tectonic token burning about 250 trillion coin. That is about burning 50% in 12 months. When you calculate that, it simply means they believe Tectonic can burn let's say that's a 10, if you're talking about 10 trillion in a month, that's about 120 trillion. That you're talking about 20 trillion coins or 20.2 trillion coins in a single month. By the time you divide this in by days, that means they are expecting Tectonic to burn billions of coins in a particular day. That is why I said it might not really be possible for Tectonic to burn about 60 billion coins in a day. It's not going to be possible for now, because they don't have that platform, they don't have that system that can really get that going by burning about 60 to 70 billion coins in a day. But I believe for now Tectonic can burn between 2 billion to 5 billion, and if they have a better platform, a better planning, they can go ahead, they can go more further and burn up to 10 billion coins in a day. So that is to say, burning 250 trillion coins in 12 months is not going to be easy, but they can achieve that within 3 to 5 years. Okay, yes, then they can achieve burning about half. So Tectonic still have a long way to go, but with that, Tectonic is going to increase in price. I believe Tectonic is not a coin that might be hitting 1 cent soon, but anything can happen. This is crypto industry, but deleting 20, killing 2 zeros is possible. Even with that, the burning will be going on, and let's hope that Tectonic will burn about 250 trillion coins in 12 months, but which I know is not possible, but I believe that they can really increase in price and they can burn these coins off within 3 years to come. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.